there. Hello, I'm Mary Lou Andre. Welcome to our capsule wardrobe mini series. Last week we took you through capsule wardrobing 101. This week we're jumping in how to expand your capsule using color and pattern. And next week I'll be back to take it all home by helping you to create a travel capsule. So last week, I really hope I motivated you to get in that closet to really organize it by capsule so that you can start taking inventory, seeing what you have. I start by color segmenting, but that's only part of the story. If you missed the first part of our series, it's pinned to the top of the group, but I went through why fit, fabric, function, and flair those are our 4 good F words, and boy, do they count when you're building a capsule wardrobe. So once you see what you have, and then you get in that closet and you identify what you need and you refresh it, and again, you want to have the tops, the pants, the dresses, and the colors that you feel great in, then it's time to really expand the capsule using color, patterns, texture, and accessories. And by the way, this live series is being brought to you by our awesome Dressing Well Insiders program. It is run by the amazing Sarah Zengo, who's on the call with me tonight. If you're not in that group, January enrollment is open. If you join as an annual member, you're going to receive the entire Dressing Well Method self-video course. It's worth $99. You're going to get it for free. All you have to do is become a member, and we do offer monthly memberships. They start as low as $24.99. We make it really affordable for anyone that wants to jump into our world, interact with our team, get some help rebuilding, revamping, with the goal of making everyday style easy. There are some amazing fashionistas in that group. I see some of them on the line right now with me. So put in the chat what you love about that group. And if you're interested, Sarah's going to put some links in there. If you join any time in the month of January, again, this pop-up series is being sponsored by Dressing Well Insiders. You will get the entire Dressing Well Method self-study. It's 5 videos, 30 minutes, taught live by me, and it really will walk you through organizing your closet, understanding fit and fabric, making a list, getting organized, making sure you have what you need to really practice our proprietary methodology at a very high level. So back to our program. Tonight, again, is about adding patterns and color to really expand that capsule. A lot of people will say, okay, I've refreshed my capsule. It looks a little boring. And what I say is the journey is just about to begin. So I am going to repeat a couple of these steps. We had a little bit of technical difficulty, but here is a scarf. And as you can see, I am wearing the exact same thing as I had on last week. A black turtleneck. I had black pants on last week. I've got black jeans on this week. I threw this really fun, one of my favorite little white bombers on. And again, it's the fit, the fabric, the function. I was at my desk all day today. I can move in this fabric. The jacket's a little shorter. The pants are a little higher. You get that monochromatic base, all one color from shoulder to hem. And this scarf, one of my favorites. I know people really love the scarf tying tips, so I'll try to get as much in here tonight as I can, but just adding this at the neck, having it float underneath the jacket, getting my hair out of the way. You can just see how the outfit went from nice to a little bit more polished, sophisticated, interesting. The other thing I love about scarves is I always say, put yourself on a scarf diet. If you're hiding a little bit of weight, black is a neutral that is a concealer, but a scarf, no matter what color you have on underneath, can really add another layer of concealment for your outfit. So that's number one, is the scarves. The next one is pops of color in a contrasting hue. So I've racked a lot of my favorites here, but I will stick with the black and white for a moment. And like this is a nice pop of color, these red pants. Now I don't have a capsule wardrobe in red. It's not one of my best colors. I always use red as an accent. That doesn't mean that you can't have a red capsule. I just like to use it as a pop of color. And of course I've got a handbag here, tied a little Valentine's scarf on there. That's our next holiday coming up. But that's what I mean by a contrasting pop of color. I also just wanted to show you, I have my olive greens racked over here. I've got a black knit dress that I had on the show last week. That's part of my black capsule wardrobe. I've got a little olive jacket over it. Here comes the scarf again. And when you're really trying to mix and match all of your colors well, I racked all my olive here tonight. And this is my little olive field jacket. And this is what I mean about a pop of color. I was shopping with my sister over the Christmas holidays, and I saw this beautiful yellow, which is one of my best colors, and it had this beautiful pattern with the olive. And you see how just putting the yellow with the olive, you just get that fresh pop of color. It tends to be one of my favorite palettes, but that's what I mean about adding the contrasting colors. I can throw on, I've actually already had this on with jeans. I have a pair of sneakers that has olive and a little bit of this yellow actually in it. I could also put it on with my olive booties. So that's what I mean about the contrasting patterns. Number 3 is print on print, and that's probably a little bit more advanced for a lot of you, but I just wanted to show you how we do a really fun print on print. So going back to the black and white, this is another little bomber jacket. By the way, I bought this jacket for $20 at a consignment store so many years ago. The alterations actually cost me more than the jacket. They were really long sleeves and they had zippers, so I had to have my tailor alter the sleeve for me, and he ended up taking off the zipper, hence the expensive alteration. But I can't tell you how much fun I've had with this. And when you know, again, if you didn't see last week's Capsule Dressing 101, we really encouraged you to get in that closet and get it organized when you can start to then organize by color. So I've got all my black, all my whites, then I have my black and whites. Really easy to take this fun polka dot top, put it under the jacket. Even this long necklace, thank you, June Tardy, you gave me this as a gift, adds a little razzle dazzle. I don't think anyone out there will say that's a boring way to wear black and white. So tonight's program again is to cast a fresh eye on your wardrobe once you've taken the time to get the dead wood out of there, organize your capsules. And tonight I've got olive, winter white, black and white, a little bit of navy. Number 4, the last idea that I'll share with you is when you start mixing your capsules together. So I'll show you an example of that. I have on the show last week, I showed you my winter white capsule, and these are 2 of the pieces, my winter white jeans, my lightweight cashmere winter white crew neck sweater. By the way, this is Macy's cashmere. It is the same as the Bloomingdale's cashmere. They're owned by the same parent company. It is affordable. It lasts. I love it. I took this cream palette and, you know, I have my winter white jacket, and that definitely works. But to mix up my palettes, I can add this navy blue over the winter white. Then I can grab a scarf with the navy and cream in it, and then you see the brown in there. That's going to be the clue I need to grab a brown shoe, and there you have it. One of the things I love about what the Insiders Club is doing right now. So that is a monthly membership, $24.99 to join. If you join as an annual member, $249, you get 2 months for free. And if you join anytime in the month of January, you're going to get the entire Dressing Well self-study video series, a $99 value for free. The other great thing about that program, not that that's not enough, is you got a private Facebook group, you get 10 shopping links a month, you get access to our team, you get help building your wardrobe, but you also get some super fun challenges, some special events, and over in that group right now, they're putting together outfits just the way that I am. But I wanted to pop on. I wanted to keep our fun series going. Thank you so much for all of the fun comments. If you like this kind of information, let me know what your biggest takeaway was in the chat. So we're rocking and rolling through the month of January. There's only 10 more days. I cannot believe it's January 22nd. If you'd like to join us on the inside, join the fun people that are here on the group, sharing what they love about that program. Next week, I'll be back with our final session of our capsule wardrobing mini session, and we'll be doing how to put together your capsule, your travel capsule. I know a lot of you really love the travel tips. But what else, Sarah? Sarah's in the chat. I hope she's putting up all the links that I'm mentioning, but we'd love to have you join us in the inside. Again, $249 annual membership gets you 2 months for free. It gets you the entire Dressing Well method self-study taught by me, and I promise you, if you watch that self-study, you are going to be motivated to get in your closet, build your capsule, be a stickler for fit, function, faction, flair, and then start to use color, accessories, patterns to make the look your own. So that's it for tonight. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll be back again next Wednesday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Any questions, reach out to us. Any questions for Sarah, jump on her calendar. And we hope you have a great rest of the evening. Thanks, everybody. See you later. Bye-bye.